Carbon footprint. The amount of pollution a person creates. Using public transport lowers your carbon footprint. Planting trees can reduce carbon footprint. Rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater for later use. The house uses rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting saves water. Habitat. The natural home where animals or plants live. Forests are the natural habitat of many birds. Pollution can destroy the habitat of fish. Ecosystem. A community of plants, animals, and nature working together. The ocean ecosystem is very large and complex. Cutting trees can harm the ecosystem. Sustainable. Something that can continue for a long time without harming nature. Solar energy is a sustainable source of power. We should use sustainable materials in our homes. Renewable energy. Energy that comes from natural sources that never run out. Wind power is a renewable energy source. Many homes now use renewable energy. Solar panels. Devices that change sunlight into electricity. The house has solar panels on the roof. Solar panels help reduce electricity bills. Compost. Natural fertilizer made from food waste and plants. She puts vegetable peels in the compost. Compost helps plants grow better. Organic. Food or products made without harmful chemicals. They buy organic vegetables from the market. Organic farming protects the soil. Recycling. Turning old materials into new products. We recycle plastic bottles. Recycling helps reduce waste. Biodegradable. Something that can break down naturally in the environment. Paper bags are biodegradable. Biodegradable items are better for nature. Conservation. Protecting nature and natural resources. Wildlife conservation is very important. Saving water is part of conservation. Green living. Living in a way that protects the environment. Many families are choosing green living. Green living includes saving electricity. Energy efficient. Using less energy to do the same work. LED bulbs are energy efficient. Energy efficient homes save money. Eco-friendly. Something that is not harmful to the environment. Bamboo products are eco-friendly. She uses eco-friendly cleaning products. Urban garden. A small garden in a city. They grow tomatoes in their urban garden. Urban gardens make cities greener. Natural resources. Materials from nature like water, air, and wood. We must protect natural resources. Oil is a natural resource. Minimalism. Living with fewer things. Minimalism helps reduce waste. Many people choose minimalism for simple living. Waste management. Properly handling and reducing waste. Good waste management keeps cities clean. Recycling is part of waste management. Sustainable home. A house designed to protect the environment. The sustainable home uses solar energy. Sustainable homes save water and electricity. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.